All right, so
All right, so
you're welcome
you're
to
welcome to
this
today's
tutorial.
tutorial.
It's just a
It's
brief
just a brief
introduction to
introduction to
JavaScript.
JavaScript.
All right.
All right.
With that being
With
said,
that being said,
we'll just
we'll
start to
just
talk
start
about
to
the
talk about
JavaScript.
the
So,
JavaScript. So,
what is
what
JavaScript
is
itself,
JavaScript itself,
and what
and
do you understand by
what do you understand
JavaScript?
from JavaScript?
So,
So,
JavaScript
JavaScript
basically
basically
is
is
please can you mute
can you mute your mic?
it?
Uh,
Hello, who is making
who
that
is making
sound?
that sound there?
Can you just
Can
mute
you
your
just
mic?
mute your mic?
Okay.
All right, I've muted you
I've
already.
muted you already.
And
And
sorry, so let's
sorry, so
continue.
let's continue.
So, like I
So,
said,
like I said,
JavaScript
JavaScript
is a
is a
versatile language,
versatile
right?
language,
That
right?
is used
That is
in the
used
web.
in the web.
Okay,
Okay,
so
so
basically, it is
basically, it
used
is
for
used for
creating
creating
interactive web
interactive web
pages.
pages.
Okay, and
Okay,
it
and
is
it
used
is
also to
used also
execute
to
web
execute
browser,
web browser,
like it is
like it
executed
is
in web
executed in
browsers.
web
Okay,
browsers.
and
Okay, and
it kind of
it kind of
allows
allows
we or
we
programmers
programmers
to manipulate
to
the
manipulate
content.
the
Okay,
content. Okay,
like the
like the
structure and the
structure
style
and
of
the
the web
style of the
page,
web page,
right? So
right? So
basically,
basically,
let's
let's
test something
test
out like
something
that.
out
Okay,
like that.
so
Okay, so
in this folder,
in
we're
this
gonna create
folder,
a new
we're gonna
folder
create a new folder here,
and
and
we'll call it
we'll call it
JavaScript. Okay,
JavaScript. Okay,
so we'll call this folder
so call this
JavaScript.
folder
And inside
JavaScript,
the
and inside
JavaScript,
the
we want to
JavaScript,
create
we
a
want to
file
create a file
called
called index.js.
dot
Dot
HTML.
HTML.
Right?
Right?
So inside
So
this
inside this
HTML
HTML
document,
document,
we're gonna bring the
we're gonna bring
boilerplate
the
of
boilerplate of
HTML.
HTML.
Okay,
Okay,
like using
like
this
using this
exclamation mark
exclamation
and
mark
using your
and using
enter,
your
your tab
your
key
tab key
to get the
to get
content
the
out.
content out.
So
So
we'll just
we'll
call
just
this the
call this the
title,
title
introduction to
Introduction to
JavaScript,
JavaScript,
right?
right?
So that being
So that
said,
being said,
we can
we can
actually
actually
put some
put
content
some
here,
content here,
and we'll just
and we just let's just say
um,
uh,
learning
learning
JavaScript.
JavaScript.
Okay, so
Okay,
let's
so
try to
let's try to
close this port
close
and
this port
reopen
and
it again.
reopen it again.
So it should
So it
load in
should
the
load in
next
the
tab.
next tab.
All right.
All right.
So
So
now you can see the
now you can see
content
the
here,
content here,
and
and
basically, let's
basically
open this
let's
folder
open this folder
so that we'll
so that
have
we
only that
have
folder
only that
open.
folder open.
Inside
Inside
is
is
JavaScript
JavaScript
and select
and
folder.
select folder.
Yeah. So
Yeah.
we're gonna
So
close
we're
this
gonna
thing.
close this thing,
Yeah. Close this one
close
and
this one, and
wait for this guy
wait
to
for this
open.
guy to open.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So if you're using
So if you
VS
are
Code,
using VS Code,
try to follow
try to
along.
follow along.
And if you're
And if
using
you're
maybe
using maybe
TrepEdit or
TrepEdit
another
or another
device
device
or another
or
app for
another
your
app for
mobile
your
phone,
mobile phone,
you can
you can
actually
actually
follow along,
follow
or
along,
you
or
just watch
you
the
just watch
videos
the
and listen
videos and
carefully to
listen
what we're
carefully
doing.
to what we're doing.
Okay.
Okay.
So that
So
being said,
that being said,
let's proceed.
let's proceed.
So what we're gonna
So
do
what we're
here,
gonna do here,
let me take this guy
let me take this
out.
guy out.
Sorry, close this
Sorry, close
guy.
this guy.
Okay, so
Okay,
what
so
we're gonna do
what
here,
we're gonna do here, we're
we're
just
gonna
gonna
first of all
first of
create some
all create some
folders
folders
like I always
like I
do, a
always do, a
CSS folder,
CSS folder,
JavaScript folder,
JavaScript
and
folder, and
an image
an
folder.
image folder.
So don't
So
forget
don't
to always do
forget to
that.
always do that.
So I can
So
just
I
simply
can
go
just
to
simply go to
this,
this,
this
I think
place,
this place,
then
then
code password,
code password,
JavaScript,
JavaScript.
then inside this
Then
folder,
inside
you can
this
see the
folder, you can
CSS
see the
folder has
CSS
been
folder
created
has been
already,
created already,
right? So we
right?
want to
So we
create
want to
other
create other
folders like
folders
a JavaScript
like a
folder
JavaScript folder
and an image
and an
folder.
image folder.
Okay.
Okay.
So that being
So
said,
that being said,
we will need to
we
create
will
a
need to
JavaScript
create a
folder here.
JavaScript folder here.
Okay.
Okay.
So a
So
JavaScript
a
file,
JavaScript
sorry.
file, sorry.
So we might want to
So we
call
might
this
want
one
to call this one
scripts.js.
scripts.js.
So the JS
So the
extension
JS extension
stands for
stands for
JavaScript.
JavaScript.
All right.
All right.
Sorry for the noise
Sorry for the
coming from the
noise coming
background.
from
I'm
the
very close
background.
to
I'm
the
very
road.
close to the road.
Now, with that being
Now,
said,
with that being
we're going to
said,
write
we're going to write
content
some
here.
content here.
But before we do
But
that,
before we do that,
let's
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 kind of
kind of
import
import
this external
this
file in
external file
our
in our
HTML code.
HTML code.
Okay, so if
Okay,
for
so
you to do
for
that,
you to do that,
you need to do
you
it
need to
at
do it at the
the bottom of the
bottom
screen
of
when
the
you want to
screen when you want to
install, like
install,
when you want to
like when you want to
import
import
an
an
external
external
file,
file,
like a JavaScript
like a
file.
JavaScript
You
file.
do it
You
at
do
the
it at the
bottom
bottom
line of
line
the
of the
closing tag of the
closing tag of
body
the
element.
body element.
So there we
So
can
there
just
we can just
specify a
specify
script
the
like
script
this,
like this, script
okay?
like this. Okay,
So this
so
script
the
itself
script
has
itself has some
attributes.
attributes.
We have the
We have
source
the source
attributes like
attributes
this,
like
and that's
this,
what
and
we're going to
that's
be
what we're going to
using
be
mostly.
using mostly.
Okay, so
Okay,
for us
so
to
for
get
us to get
this
this
script.js that is
script.js
inside
that
the
is
JS
inside the
folder,
JS folder,
we'll use the
we'll
dot
use the
slash for
dot
the
slash for the
absolute part,
absolute parts,
and we'll scroll
and
down
we'll
to
scroll
select
down
the
to select the
JS.
JS,
And as you can
and
see, the
as you can see,
script
the script
dot JS is
just
right
is
there.
right there.
Okay,
Okay,
that
so
is how
that
to
is how to
import the
import the
external
external
script for your
script for your
JavaScript code.
JavaScript code.
Okay,
Okay,
so the next thing
so
we're
the
going to
next
do,
thing we're gonna do,
we're going to
we're gonna
talk about
talk
how to
about how
declare
to declare
variables. Okay,
variables. Okay,
so I showed
so
you
I've
how to
showed you how to import
your
your
JavaScript code
JavaScript code
in
in your
HTML code.
HTML code.
And
And
lastly,
lastly, you
you
already
already know
know how to
how to import
import your
your
external
external CSS file.
CSS file.
So we can just
So we
create
can
a
just create
CSS
a
file here
CSS file here
called
called
styles.css,
styles.css,
and we
and we
use
will
the
use the
link
link
element to
element
import
to import
dot slash
dot slash
css
css
slash
slash
style.css,
style.css.
right?
Right?
So
So
that's how to
that's how to
import
import
both your
both
style
your
sheets
style
and your
sheets and your
script code.
script code.
Okay,
Okay?
so the next
So
one
the next one
we want to talk
we want
about
to talk about
sorry, not this
not
folder,
this folder,
outside the
outside of
folders.
folders.
So let's
So
create a
let's
readme
create a
here.
README here.
Readme is
README is
just
just
a content that
content that
says a lot
says a
about
lot
your
about your
project.
project.
Okay,
Okay?
so the first thing
So
we
the
want to talk
first thing we want
about,
to talk about,
we want to talk
we want
about
to talk about
variables. First of all, we
variables.
have
First
already
of all, we have
talked
already
about
talked
the
about the
introduction to
introduction to
JavaScript.
JavaScript.
Like I told
Like
you,
I
it's a
told you,
versatile
is a versatile
language
language
used
and it is
to,
used to,
to
to
manipulate
manipulate
the content
the
in your
content in
browser
your browser
and your
and
structure
your
and your
structure and
styles
your
and
styles
everything.
and everything.
So the first
So
thing I want
the
to talk
first thing I want
about
to talk about
is
is
variables. Okay,
variables. Okay,
I want to talk
I
about
want to talk about
variables.
variables.
Okay, so
Okay,
by
so by
12:25, I'm going
12:25,
to
I'm
end
going to end
this
this
record so that
record so
it
that
will not be too
it will not be
long.
too long.
So the next thing
So
we're
the
going to
next thing
do
we're going to do
is talk about
is talk about
the
the
variables itself.
variables
Okay,
itself. Okay.
so what is
So
the
what is
variables
the
itself?
variables
We
itself?
have
We
a
have
lot of
a lot of
variables.
variables,
Like you
like
already know in
you already know in
mathematics, a
mathematics,
variable is
a
just like
variable
a
is just like a
placeholder to hold a
placeholder to
value,
hold a value,
right?
right?
So
So
we can
we
just
can just in JavaScript we have some
some commands
commands
or
or
input
input
functions to
functions to
create
create
variables.
variables.
So we have the
So we have the
let,
let,
we have the
we have the
const,
const,
okay, and we
okay,
also
and we
have the
also
var.
have the var.
So these
So
three
these three
guys here,
guys here,
they are
they
inbuilt
are
function
inbuilt
in
function in
JavaScript that is
JavaScript that
used
is
to create
used to create
variables.
variables.
Okay,
Okay,
so
so
let's
let's
let's go to the
let's go to
JavaScript
JavaScript
and create
and
some
create
variables
some
there.
variables
Okay,
there.
so
Okay,
we'll just
so
call these
just call these
variables like
variables like
some
some
primitive
primitive
data
data
types.
types.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So
So
the next thing
the
we're gonna
next
do,
thing we're
let's
gonna
try
do,
to create
let's try
some
to create some
variables.
variables. Let's say
Let's use the
let's use the let.
let name
Let
is
name
equals to
is equals
John.
to John.
So this John will
So
be a
this John will
string,
be a string.
okay, and this
Okay, and
string
this string
is always
is always
enclosed in
enclosed
either
in
single
either
quotes
single
or
quotes
double
or
quotes.
double quotes.
All right,
All right,
but it
but it
is
is
good that you
good
understand
that
the
you
difference
understand the
between
difference
the
between
when
the
to use
when
the
to use
single
the
quotes
single
and when to use
quotes and when to use
the single
the
quote
single
and
quote and the
single quote and
single
double
quote and
quotes.
double quote.
Okay, so
Okay,
but
so
you
but
can still
you
use them
can still use them
interchangeably,
interchangeably,
just like that.
just like that.
So the next thing we
So the
want to
next
do,
one to do,
let's create
let's
another
create another
variable.
variable.
We'll use
We'll
the
use
same
the
let
same let
h will
age
equals
will
to this
equals
one
to this
will be a
one will be a
number.
number.
So let's just
So
say
let's just say
45.
45.
Okay.
Okay.
So and the
So
last thing
and
we
the
want to
last
do,
thing I want to do,
we like
we
say
like
let
say
a
let a
student. We
student,
just want to
we
create
just want to
some
create
variable
some variable
be equals to
be
true,
equals to
and this
true,
one
and
is a
this one
boolean.
is a
Okay.
boolean. Okay.
So
So
boolean
boolean
is
is
either true
either true
or
or
false.
false.
right? And
right? And
the
the
strings are
strings
always
are
enclosed
always
in
enclosed
double
in
quote like
double quote
this,
like this,
and
and
numbers are
numbers are
integers,
integers,
and they
and
are
they
just
are
written
just
like this
written
without
like this without
putting it
putting it
in a
in
quote,
a quote,
just like that,
just
right?
like that, right?
So
So
we're going to
we're
just
gonna
do a
just
few
do a
things
few
here.
things here.
We're just going to
We're
create
just
some
gonna create some
arrays,
arrays,
and
and
we're going to talk
we're
more
gonna
about
talk more about
what arrays
what
actually
arrays
are.
actually are.
Okay, so
Okay,
let's
so
say
let's say
let's go to
let's go to some
arrays.
arrays.
Okay,
Okay,
so
so
say
we say
let's just say
let's just say
hobbies.
hobbies.
Okay, let's
Okay,
hobbies
let's
be equals
hobbies be
to.
equals to.
So when
So
you want to create
when
an
you want to
array,
create an array,
you use
you
this
use this
square
square
bracket.
bracket.
All right.
All
So
right.
this is what
So
you use
this
to
is
create
what you
an
use to
array.
create an
So
array.
let's put
So
some
let's put
strings
some
inside.
strings inside.
So we can say
So you can
reading.
say reading.
Okay.
Okay.
And when
And
you want to
when
put
you want to put
another
another
string inside
string
the array,
inside the array,
you can use
you
the
can use the
comma
comma
outside the double
outside the
quote.
double quote.
Okay. So
Okay. So
let's put another
let's put
one.
another one.
It's a string
It's a
also,
string also,
and let's
and
add
let's add
another one.
another
So let's
one.
just
So
call
let's
this one
just call this
gaming.
one gaming.
Okay. So when you get
Okay.
to
So when
this
you get to
end,
this end,
you can just
you can just
ignore
ignore
the comma,
the
so you can leave
comma,
it
so you
like
can leave
that.
it like that.
All right.
All right.
And but don't
And but
forget
don't
your
forget your
semicolon
semicolon
to indicate
to
that
indicate
this is
that
the
this is
end
the end
of the
of the
statement.
statement.
Okay. So when you
Okay.
want to
So
write
when
an
you want to write
array,
an array,
array is always
array is always
included
included
inside, like
inside like
between
between
two
two
square
square
brackets.
brackets.
Okay.
Okay.
And there's
And
something
there's something
called
they called
indexing.
indexing.
That's to say
That's to say
every
every
figure,
figure,
every
like
value
every
you
value you
see
see
like this,
like this,
they are
they
always
are always
indexed.
indexed.
Okay.
Okay.
And by
And by
default,
default,
the
the
indexing starts
indexing
from
starts
zero.
from zero.
All right.
All right.
So for
So for
instance,
instance,
this
this
reading here
reading here
is
is
indexed at
indexed at
zero,
zero,
and this
and
coding
this coding
is indexed
is
at one,
indexed at one,
and this
and
gaming
this gaming
is indexed
is
at
indexed
three.
at three.
So take for
So take
instance,
for
when you want
instance,
to
when you
access
want to
this
access this
gaming in the
gaming in the
memory,
memory,
it is stored
it is
as
stored
three.
as three.
So when you want to
So when you
access
want to
it,
access
sorry,
it,
it's
sorry, it
not
not
three but
three
two.
but two.
So
So
I made a
I
mistake
made a
there.
mistake there.
You start
You
from
start
zero,
from zero,
one, two,
one,
and
two, and
it goes
it
up like
goes
that.
up like that.
Okay, so
Okay,
when you
so
want to
when you
access
want to
this
access this
gaming,
gaming,
it is
it
indexed
is
at
indexed
two,
at
so you
two,
can
so you
always
can
use
always
two
use two
to access
to
this
access
gaming
this
variable,
gaming variable,
this gaming
this
value that
gaming
is there.
value that is there.
And all of
And
this
all of
content
this
here
content here
is
is
stored
stored
inside this
inside this
obis
obis
variable.
variable.
Okay, so
Okay,
it is
so
an
it is
array.
an array.
All right.
All
So
right.
that being
So that
said,
being said,
let's
let's
give another
give another
example.
example.
So we want to give
So
an
we want to
example
give an
for
example for
objects.
objects.
Okay.
Okay.
So this
So
object
this
itself,
object itself,
let's
let's
give some
give
example.
some
Use the
example. We
less
use the
command
less command
to create
to create the
variables, like we have
variables.
said
Like we have
that
said
we
that
have
we have
several
several
functions to create
functions to create
variables. We have the
variables. We have
const,
the
we have the
const, we have the
var, and we
var,
have the
and we
let.
have the
Okay,
let. Okay.
I'm going to talk
I'm gonna
more
talk more
of the
of
difference
the
between
difference
those
between
three
those three
functions itself.
functions itself.
So let's go back
So
to the
let's go back to
script.
the script.
Let's say
Let's say
person is equal
person is
to.
equal to.
Now, when you want to
Now,
create
when you want to create
an
an
object,
object,
you use this
you
curly
use this
brace.
curly brace.
Okay, and you
Okay,
hit
and you
enter
hit
like this,
enter like this,
and basically
and
you can
basically
start
you can
giving
start
all the
giving all the
content.
content.
So I can say
So I can
first
say
name
first name
is equal
is
to,
equal to,
maybe let's say
maybe let's
John.
say John.
Okay,
Okay,
so you use a
so you
comma
use your
like
comma
this,
like this,
and we can just
and
say
we can
last
just say
name.
last name.
Okay, so
Okay,
this
so
last name we
this
can
last
just
name we
say
can just
maybe
say maybe
Frank
Frank
or
or
Franklin.
Franklin.
Okay,
Okay,
and the
and
last thing
the
we're going
last
to
thing
do,
we're gonna
we're going to
do,
say
we're gonna
age,
say age,
and you still
and
use
you still use the
this time around
this time
the
around
age is
age is a
number,
number,
so we're going to
so
use
we're
the
gonna
number
use the number
just like that.
just like that.
Okay,
Okay,
so you
so
end it.
you
You can
end it,
put a
you can put
comma,
a
you can
comma, you
ignore
can
the
ignore
comma.
the
It's still
comma, it's
okay.
still okay.
But that is if you
But
want
that
to
is
add
if you
more
want to add more
informations, you
informations,
can go ahead
you
and
can go
add.
ahead and add.
Right. So
Right,
this is
so
just
this
an
is just an
example of an
example of an
object,
object,
and we're going to
and
talk
we're going to talk
about
about
objects that are
objects that are
nested
nested
inside another
inside
object.
another object.
All right.
All
So
right,
that will be
so
in
that
a
would be
separate
in a
variable.
separate variable.
So this is
So
just
this
a
is
brief
just a brief
introduction to
introduction
an
to
object in
an object in
JavaScript,
JavaScript,
an array in
an array in
JavaScript,
JavaScript,
and some
and
primitive
some
data
primitive
types
data types
in JavaScript.
in
Okay.
JavaScript. Okay,
So we have
so we
the
have the
numbers, we
numbers,
have the
we have
boolean,
the boolean,
and we have the
and we have the
strings,
strings,
and there are
and
others.
there are
Okay.
others.
We have
Okay,
something
we
like
have something like
float,
float,
where we
where
have
we have
a decimal
a
point
decimal point
numbers
numbers
and
and
Yeah, so
Yeah,
that is
so
all
that
for
is
this
all for
part.
this
So
part.
let me
So
just
let me
take down
just
those
take down these
records
records
so that
so that
we can
we
actually
can
continue.
actually continue.